Start writing. The topic is some people believe that increasing tax on various industries will reduce pollution, whereas others believe that there are better alternative ways. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Although few individuals opine that pollution can be reduced with the escalating taxation on industries, while others think that other strategies can be adopted. This essay will discuss both the views along with my support to the later view. BP1, to begin with, on the one hand, applying taxes on industries would alleviate the pollutants from the ecosystem. In other words, as these are the main source of releasing huge amount of carbon into the air and hazardous chemicals into the water. So this policy will tend to limit the production capacity of farms. For instance, government in Pakistan imposed green tax on leather factories, after which they adopted eco-friendly methods to manufacture their products. As a result, this strategy will improve the environment at large extent by reducing air and water contamination. Second BP, on the other hand, alternative ways of transportation would also improve the condition of the atmosphere. To explain it, large number of private vehicles on the road emit carbon as well as burning of fossil fuels, which is deteriorating air quality. So electric vehicles and another energy efficient sources such as solar power, wind power should be introduced in the country. As a report published in the newspaper The Tribune, China has highest figures of electric cars in the whole world, and this country is improving quality of air and water. Therefore, applying such methods can save the earth from toxic fumes and diminishing the harmful effects of pollution. Conclusion. To conclude, implementing taxes on production plants can reduce the pollution. Meanwhile, this essay supports to the view that other methods are more effective to overcome contaminating factors of atmospheric pollution.